Hi, it's Carl again from Fine & Country Estate Agents in Staffordshire, and today we're in the lovely village of Crossbutts on the outskirts of the very popular market town of Eccleshall in Staffordshire, and today we're looking at this 7-bedroom residence called Eagle House, so let's take a good look around. So we finish our tour in the rear garden, and as always, if you do wish to arrange a viewing or have any further questions about the property, then please contact us on the following details.